the ultimate anti-aging skincare routine. Transform your skin overnight. Aging is a natural process that many of us try to resist, yet the signs of aging like fine lines, wrinkles, and loss of elasticity can emerge sooner than we'd like. The challenge isn't just about how old we are, but also how our skin reflects our lifestyle choices, stress levels, and environmental factors. Have you ever looked in the mirror and wished for a way to reclaim that youthful glow? Perhaps you've tried countless products, only to be left disappointed by lackluster results. What if I told you that transforming your skin could be as simple as adopting a few key practices? The ultimate anti-aging skincare routine isn't just a collection of expensive creams. It's about using the right products and techniques to maximize their effects. Let's dive into a secret skincare regimen that promises to rejuvenate your complexion overnight. The ultimate routine, a step-by-step guide. Cleanse gently. Start with a gentle cleanser to remove impurities without stripping your skin of essential oils. Look for a product containing natural ingredients like chamomile or aloe vera to soothe and hydrate. Exfoliate wisely. Twice a week, exfoliate with a chemical exfoliant such as glycolic or lactic acid. This helps slough away dead skin cells, revealing a brighter, smoother surface. Serum surge. Invest in a quality anti-aging serum packed with antioxidants like vitamin C or E. These powerful ingredients fight free radicals, boost collagen production, and promote a youthful appearance. Moisturize and lock it in. Apply a rich moisturizer tailored to your skin type, focusing on ingredients like hyaluronic acid or peptides to plump and hydrate. For added moisture retention, consider sealing it with a facial oil. Eye cream. The delicate skin around your eyes needs special attention. Use a targeted eye cream with caffeine or retinol to reduce puffiness and fine lines. Night mask or treatment. End your routine with a nourishing overnight mask or treatment. Look for formulas that include ingredients like niacinamide or squalane to deeply hydrate and rejuvenate your skin while you sleep. Beauty sleep. Don't underestimate the power of rest. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep to allow your skin to repair itself naturally. The secret to overnight transformation. What makes this routine truly special is consistency and personalization. Not every skin type is the same, so adapt this regimen to your specific needs. With commitment and the right products, you'll wake up to a complexion that feels revitalized and youthful. So, are you ready to unlock the secrets to ageless skin? Transform your skincare routine and watch as your skin transitions into a canvas of health and vibrancy. Your journey to radiant, youthful skin starts tonight.